Welcome back to the MKT 243 Closing the Loop webinar. Now that we know what a digital business is, it's time to learn how it actually operates. Grab your notes because we are diving into learning objective number 2, the 4 key characteristics of a digital business. Think of these as your ultimate cheat codes for building a modern empire. Let's start with a reality check. Selling physical stuff the traditional way is incredibly tedious. Look at our girl Alia here on the left, struggling at the campus bus stop with heavy books of books. We have all been there with our first side hustle. But today, we're going to turn Alia's traditional hustle into a glowing digital empire. Are you ready to level up? Let's look at the first cheat code. The first key characteristic of digital business is scalability. In the digital world, your products can be duplicated infinitely with almost zero incremental costs. You make it once, and you can sell it 1,000,000 times without spending extra money on manufacturing.
Let's look at Alia's book business. Why print physical copies when you can just sell a PDF? Printing physical exercise books might cost RM10 each, and you're limited by the physical space in your dorm room. But if you pivot to selling digital PDF notes on TikTok Shop, your cost to duplicate it is literally RM0. Another example is, we see this all the time now with local straight-A SPM or UITM students selling their aesthetic, color-coded study notes as digital downloads on Shopee or TikTok. They create the notes once, and thousands of students across Malaysia can hit instant download. That is the power of scalability. The second key characteristics of digital business is global reach. Digital operations are absolutely not limited by physical borders. As long as you have the internet, you have a global market. Look at this map. You can be sitting in your room in Cyberjaya and seamlessly selling to New York, Dubai, or Seoul. This brings us to the ultimate dream, which is healing in Malaysia, but earning in USD. You can be selling digital art, photography presets, or software templates to the entire world while you are literally asleep in your bed. The third key characteristic of digital business is being data-driven. We are using big data analytics to personalize the user experience and make super rapid business decisions. We're done with guessing games. We want to give the people exactly what they want, right when they want it. When you use data properly, it feels like mind-reading mode is activated. Look at this scenario right here. You are sitting in your college room and it suddenly starts pouring rain in Samarahan. Instantly, your food delivery app sends you a push notification. Raining in Samarahan, here's a promo for hot tom yum. Apps like GrabFood or Foodpanda use live weather API data combined with your past order history to push the exact right product to you in real time. That is data analytics at its finest. Finally, the fourth key characteristics of digital business is automation. This is where you let intelligent automated systems handle the heavy lifting, from your marketing campaigns to customer support and inventory tracking. You let the robots do the boring work so you can focus on strategy. Here's another example. We used to be bombarded with the PM/Sis culture for every single order. Think about huge local fashion brands like Kiosk Czar and Christy Eng during peak Raya season. If they had to manually reply to thousands of PM/Sis or sold out sis messages on Instagram, they would go crazy like the girl on the left. Instead, they use smart auto replies, integrated Shopify inventory, and integrated WhatsApp chatbots to handle pre-orders automatically. The customer gets a payment link instantly, and the business owner gets to chill on a beanbag with their iced coffee. So let's summarize this with the ultimate boss mode matrix. We are comparing the traditional grocery store to full digital boss mode. Instead of making one physical item to sell one time, you make one digital item and sell it 1,000,000 times. Instead of being restricted to your local area, your reach is completely worldwide. Instead of guessing what your customers want, you use data-backed facts. And instead of getting zero sleep doing manual operations, you put your business on autopilot 24/7. And there you have it. Are you ready to launch your own digital empire? Because now you officially have all 4 cheat codes.
Take a look at this MKT 243 admission ticket on the screen. Your journey doesn't stop here. While you now know the core pillars of scalability, global reach, using data-backed facts, and full automation, we still have more ground to cover to completely close the loop. Keep those notes handy, stretch your legs for a second, and don't log off, because we are moving straight into our next major topic. See you there!